Part 1, Question 1. Are you a student or are you working? I'm a university student. I'm currently in my third semester at Universitas Muhammadiyah Surakarta. Next is number 2. Who made the decision about what you are currently studying? The decision was mainly mine, but my parent and teacher also influenced me by giving advice and support. Next, number 3. Are you good at making decisions? I think I'm getting better at it. As a university student, I have to make more decisions on my own now. Next, number 4 is, do you think you usually make the right decision? Not always, but I try my best. Even when the result is perfect, I usually learn something valuable. Next is number 5. What do you think about people who change their mind after making a decision? I think it's normal, especially for young people. Sometimes changing your mind means you've grown or understood yourself better. Part 2. Most important decision I've made was choosing my major at university. When I was in my final year of high school, I felt quite confused because I had many interests and didn't want to make the wrong choice. At the time, my parents played an important role by encouraging me to think realistically about my ability and future goals. I also talked to my teacher. I think my teacher and my senior who were already studying at university. They helped me understand what studying this major would actually be like. After thinking carefully, I decide to study at Universitas Muhammadiyah Surakarta and chose this major. Looking back now, as a third semester student, I feel more confident that it was the right decision. I enjoy the learning process and feel that I'm developing both academically and personally. This decision was very important because it shaped my daily life, my future career path, and even the way I see myself. It taught me I had making decision is not just about choosing but also about being responsible for the choice. Part 3. Question 1. Do you think it's harder to make decisions nowadays because we have so many choices? Yes, I think it is harder where having many options sound positive. It can actually create pressure. People often overthinking because they afraid of missing better option. As a result, decision making becomes stressful. Next, number 2 is, do you think young people today have different types of decision to make about their lives compared to young people in the past? Definitely, young people today have to think about things like digital career, social media influence, and global competition. In the past, decisions were often simple and more limited to local opportunities. Number three, it, mm, what are the advantages of asking for other people advice when making a decision? Asking for advice help you see things from different perspective. Other people might have more experience, and their opinion can help us avoid mistakes or consider things we didn't think about before. Number four is, why do you think some people are better at making or decision than others? I think is experience and emotional control are key factor, because people who can stay calm and analyze situation, yeah, sorry, situation clearly than to make better decisions than those who act impulsively. Next, number five is, some people say we only learn by making mistakes. Do you agree? I partly agree. Mistakes are powerful teacher, but learning doesn't always have to come from failure. We can also learn from observe, observing, observing, observing others, and listen to advice, which can save time and energy. That's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.